everyone, welcome to Digital Dhanu. Today I'm going to discuss case study of one of our clients. Our client name is Beenu Juneja, who has run Weld and Grind engineer business in Delhi. Basically, he deals in tools and hard tools distributor. So before he approached us, got problem in profile visibility in local searches and not getting quality leads. He approached us for our GMB SEO services in April 2024. Let's understand how we work. First, here you can see the project management system of our client onboarding date you can see and project start date and what project type is GMB SEO services and the person assigned for doing this activities others and current status in progress. Now after onboarding the first week activities which our team do perform, that is here you can see the login category. There's 1 week activities which we need to cover in 1 week, in first 1 week activity. Then after that the GMB SEO regular activity. In regular activities there is a frequency, you can see the task frequency and what kind of regular activities: post, update, events, offer, products, questions and answer, view response, citation creation is important, social media updates, it's important, images and video status update to the client. These are our regular activities which our team perform daily on regular basis. Second, GMB SEO status. Here you can see that the keyword rank and the type of keywords. On which keywords before, here you can see that on April 2024 when the client onboarded us, the ranking numbers, and now on daily basis you can check on 29 July the ranking of keyword is 111, quite impressive. And second, the citation. So here we can you can see that citation, that we have n number of citation do on such profile. Here you can see that Pinterest.com, LinkedIn, just dial for the backlink purpose, and it helps the client GMB profile rank in top local searches. So let's understand the performance. Let's see the performance of this profile. Here you can see in Feb he got 45 calls. In March he got 50 calls. In April 35 before he approached us. After April, after doing the GMB SEO on his profile, we can see the remarkable improvement in calls. 74 leads he get in the month of May, and after that in June 100 calls in 1 month, and little bit dip in July 78. So here you can see the remarkable performance in quality leads he's getting. In his GMB profile, he's now getting the quality leads and also the visibility factor, increases visibility factor in local search results. So if you also want to avail our GMB services, then contact our Digital Dhanu team on given number. Thank you so much.